super strong, right?
Right.
So that was a sign of weakness again.
Yeah. But at the same time, like when we
Yeah.
did actually take our position, it was almost immediately we're plus 50 points, right? So, I kind of didn't really have time to really think about what was happening, because we
Yeah.
entered during this 1 minute candle right here, right at 72, and it just poof straight up, and then it got immediately sold. Um,
Um,
so I think after being up, 50 points, maybe not BE. I think BE would have been too tight, but maybe as like new low or something like that. Um, would have been a little bit better. That way we could minimize our risk at least a little bit after being up, plus 50.
yeah.
I think, yeah, because the chances of us actually flipping and pulling new low after this gets sold like this, I think is very, very high, in my opinion.
Yeah.
Yeah, especially
Yeah.
like right here. It's like, yeah, it's kind of, it
Mm.
definitely makes, actually, B stops actually kind of makes sense here.
Yeah. Based on the 1 minute, it
Yeah,
was
based on the
because
structure here.
I was surprised about that sell-off because that was really strong when we entered, and
Yep,
that looked really good
Mm-hmm.
for like 20, 30 points at least more, right, on that momentum,
yep,
and they
Yeah.
just switched like in 10 seconds from that 50 points, like shoop, and so deep, super deep.
yeah,
Yeah. The
So
1 minute close was beautiful. I think. Like
yeah,
primed for a breakout.
yeah,
because we got stopped on that one, 37. Yeah, so basically, yeah, on the lower end, yeah, we did. I don't think we really had to hold down for this low, to be honest. Yeah, setup would have been valid to get stopped. Um, yeah, actually at break even, based on the 1 minute, if we wanted to continue with this higher low. Yes, we could have wicked below a little bit. So I think for me, it would have made sense at the new low, so right at 51, which would have saved us about like 10 to 13 points or so. But yeah, I think we definitely could have moved our stop there a little bit. And then the third trade, this one I actually liked. I didn't mind this one too much. Honestly, I think this should have been our second trade, I would say. I would have liked to remove the first trade. I'm okay with me taking this as a first trade. This second one, or technically our third one, would have been good. Um,
I really like that third one, by the way,
yeah,
because we had 1 minute. We had 1 minute W setup there where we took the low and immediately saw buyers. So there, yeah, I think I talked about it. I really liked it around there, but it just went to the highs and sold off. But I really liked actually that trade. But that's why I scale out on the highs there.
yeah,
Uh,
it definitely
when
makes
I
sense. Looking, we actually, this is kind of like actually us getting a little bit more confirmation for the long, in my opinion, right? We actually got bought, and then we waited for us to actually hold structure a little bit more, which is because we longed right around here, I believe, somewhere around here, right at like
Yeah,
six,
when we saw
seven.
buying on that white candle, and I really like that entry because that was resistance getting through, right?
Yep.
So then we saw that pop, uh, but I trimmed on that 4 candle when we didn't 4 to the right on that last candle. I think I trimmed one
Mm,
because I trimmed on because when we wicked when we didn't see that pressure going up. But yeah, it's hard. I think B stops there was valid for me after that flag sold, though. I'm gonna be
yeah,
honest.
yeah. After the
Yeah.
break of the
Uh,
1 minute structure here, like this structure getting lost, it technically should have invalidated our setup here as well. So once again, I think we probably could have moved our stops there. But I didn't hate the idea of stops at the low.
yeah,
But
it's same. Because sometimes it takes times. You could be juggling there for half an hour,
yeah,
and you see buyers really picking up.
but yeah, entry was okay. It's actually on the higher end based on this
Yeah,
1 minute structure. The 6-7 should have been where yours was, Philip, in the
yeah.
50s. But obviously we don't
Hello,
always hit that.
guys.
Hello.
I would have taken that on
Hello.
myself, so I was looking to take that either
Mm,
if you didn't take it there,
yeah,
Alex. But it just based up to the first loss and then going to third knife cash is,
yeah,
Mm.
yeah. If that was my second trade, no problem. But That's why I talked with you about it, because I was like, it's still the third
Doesn't it
trade.
make sense to be cautious there on the when it goes up like that before it has like broken the little range it has built?
Yeah,
Yep.
but we were up 50 points. I was up almost 70 points
Yeah.
there.
I understand that, but it can like it can turn quickly like in situations
Yeah.
like that if it doesn't like do the full break, right?
Yep.
Yeah.
Yep.
But I took off at 20 there, Nordic.
Yeah, that's
I
good.
took up
That's
on the
good.
position. But
Yeah, and that's the thing with managing, right? Managing once you're in the position.
it's hard because we had momentum
Yeah,
there also, really nice momentum. We sold like
yeah, of course,
500
of
points
course.
from that. We had
Or,
previous week 846 was previous week high.
mhm.
I really like that backtest as we didn't do it first time and we saw buying there.
Mm.
So I thought this was making very much sense to fill that in balance and backtest previous week high. So
Yeah.
and that was from 846 to 860, which was based on the retracement from the down move, very logical overall though,
Mm.
can I say. And even if we were gonna actually continue down, it was very logical to get there, I think, for me.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yeah, I like the targets there, honestly. Nice targets for upside, 860, 840 or so. A fill of, I think it was like the 5 minute imbalance or something like that. But yeah, I like the 1 minute as well, but obviously failed breakout there, and then yeah, setup just got invalid. So I really didn't mind this trade. But looking back overall, structurally, I should have realistically played my levels here. Because if you actually look at my chart here, I have kind of a large gap from this actual flag breakout, right? Which means we don't really have any real structure here until we actually
Mm,
get down near the 600s.
yeah,
So that was kind of a
Mm.
mistake on mine. But yeah, we did have the imbalance, which we did actually hold initially, but it was just a pop to get
Mm.
sold, right?
Yeah,
yeah,
yeah.
Because right at that 720 was our first, or no, our second long entry attempt. So it was just a
Mm.
pop to get
Mm.
sold, popped up, sold it, and then
Yeah,
yeah, next level down that for me that I had was realistically just down to 600, and we see that if we actually just waited for that 600 to get pulled into,
yeah,
it would have worked, right? And structurally
yeah.
speaking,
That's
just
true.
looking
That's
at
true.
the 4 hour, our next real area of support is just going to be at this flag breakout, right? We pull down to the lower end of the
Yeah,
range, and it's exactly what we usually want to see. We pull into this demand zone, and then we get a slight draw past it, and
yeah,
it just gets bought. So we definitely could have waited, I think, for a little bit more confirmation after taking two knife catch attempts here.
yeah.
Like, because a lot of
yeah.
times when we get
But like,
these really high volatility move days like this, the
yeah,
reversal is going to be very, very generous. And I think I've mentioned
yeah,
that
yep,
Yeah,
yep.
before as
yeah,
well.
like
Indeed,
yeah,
indeed.
typically you see a 50% retrace,
Yeah.
most likely. And if
Yeah,
we're down, like we were down 600 points, that's
yeah.
300. So
Yep,
even if we see buying like 50 to 75 points, you see the reversal, the
yeah,
filled supply, you have good moves left to VWAP or some
yeah.
other resistance above.
Exactly. You shouldn't be afraid to wait and then just buy a bit higher, right?
Yep.
Yeah.
Yeah. Because we see this move was quite generous. And then even then, if we
Oh, indeed.
buy 50 to 100 plus points from the bottom, we still delivered another 100, 200 points more, which
Yeah.
is, still really
No,
nice. And we're
absolutely.
not even looking to capture that whole move, right? We're probably looking to capture 50, 70 points or something
Yeah.
like that. And, all
Hmm.
targets, all upside targets were valid, right? Even if we look on this 1 minute structure from that low, nice little W
Yeah.
setup, saw some real buying, nice buy candle right here, consolidated, and no real sign. Obviously couldn't see tickers here in the moment, but yeah, it's kind of valid. The R to R is still really really great. So I think like even if you're long into like 600s, I think like
Mm.
a retest of like this 800 area would have been nice if you're long here, something like that.
I
Yeah.
think maybe we should think about that when we have made a loss on that zone, that we just
Mm.
take a longer breather and wait for that down move to settle, and we see buying before trying it again, right? If
Yep.
this idea is still valid, like
Yeah.
just slowing down that process from want to enter again, and but that's also part of my problem, because
Mm.
I really liked it, so I almost pressured you, Alex, but we do that, right? I mean, we both
Mm.
like it, so but uh, Yeah. I
Mm.
think just waiting more in case like that when we have that speed and we're seeing
Yeah,
that we don't get the move we want right
Yep.
away. Maybe we should.
Yeah.
yeah, for sure.
Anybody else
Yeah,
have some input?
no. We just got home, by the way. Philip, me and the girlfriend, we walked 30 kilometers.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah,
Viking walk.
in boots. I
Oh, in
think.
the cold.
Yeah. We walked to get pizza at like further than Tylösand, you know, where like the nice
Oh,
beaches, and we walked even further than that to like a popular place and ate pizza and walked home like another way.
no.
Yeah, I'm so tired now, but it's good.
Yeah. We had a
Yeah.
hanging man on the daily, by the way, yesterday.
Mm.
So I'm wondering if we see selling pressure today, or we're trying to hold this previous week high. We
Hanging
are.
man. Been a while since I heard that one.
Yeah. It's if it's
Chart pattern. Yeah.
yeah, it's confirmed. It's a reversal candle
Yeah.
pattern.
Yeah.
But
To be honest, I think that larger time frame idea is still valid in my head. To be honest,
yeah, it
we
Mm.
need
are
to
seeing
be
it pop.
validated.
Yeah,
Yeah, it's not.
today's close.
It's yeah.
Mm.
I really like this interaction of the previous week high here, though. So do we come over it? I think we have room, but as long as we don't do that, I'm not sold on more upside yet.
Didn't get a
Mm.
chance to look at anything yet. Kind of just been
Yeah.
talking.
I understand. Mm. Yeah. Yeah. I'm basically just going to chill today. I might jump in later, but because I secured the payout for now on Top
Oh,
Step,
nice.
so
Oh, nice.
yeah,
Yeah, just
took
take
very
that.
very small trades,
Yeah,
and
nice.
that's good. So we'll probably just chill and wait for next week.
Cool. Cool.
But yeah, I
1
might
minute
jump in
to
later. But
open.
I'm just saying good luck today, guys, and
Thank you.
Yeah, let's focus. We have 1 minute to open here.
bye bye.
Bye bye.
Yeah, Google's candle got bought yesterday. Quite heavy. Really heavy, actually. Closed above that previous all-time high close. So, still holding, but oh, we're actually gapped down right now. Never mind.
Yeah, minus 177 points from there.
It's not bad though. We recovered a lot. Like we're still in a pretty decent area to actually hold on a bigger structure if we actually want to see upside today.
Yeah.
That idea is still in play, I think, for me.
Yeah, we are opening right under previous week high, so that interaction will
Nvidia
be
looks
interesting.
good for breakout
Yeah.
above the highs here. I like this a lot on the daily. We had a nice close. We still have to clear above 195, but I think it doesn't look bad for 200 here still, based on how we closed here. Yeah, it's quite decent. Yeah, I don't mind it. I don't mind a close. I think we could see possible relative strength going into maybe today or next week with Nvidia leading. Charter is up, by the way. Forgot you guys that don't know, up 10% after earnings.
Mm.
So, somebody actually just texted me. He's like, "Oh, should we hold this or should we sell it?" I was like, "I'm gonna look for like 250 or so," but yeah, it's up at least. All right.
See some buying here. I didn't get filled on my Netflix. No.
Yeah, about to be up $1 already.
Yeah. No. Yeah. Yeah.
Mm, mm. Got sold a little bit.
Yeah, Apple's selling here.
Google sold.
Microsoft.
Yeah,
Microsoft.
everything kind of sold actually.
Mm. Not Nvidia. I still see some buying on the CVD here. Chicago Business Barometer PMI 945. And that's it. Chicago Business Barometer. That's not PMI, right? Oh,
Sorry? It is PMI, I think 9:45
oh,
PMI today.
yeah.
Right.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, PMI.
I got filled on Netflix.
Nice.
Oh, no. It was way bad fill.
You don't set limit orders when you do shares? I think it's a little easier. That's usually what I would do.
Yeah, I typically do that, but I am not accustomed to Revolut. I thought I had a limit at 82.68, but it filled me at 83.11. Maybe it doesn't work there. Weird. See some buying here more. Yeah, it's buying coming there. Holding that area.
The CVD is looking good.
Looking good. Plus 2.8 on the Nasdaq, plus 4.8 on MNQ. I really liked it on that backtest to
I like
830.
this 5-minute structure that we're kind of setting up in, right?
Yeah.
And a little bit of a flag
We
we're
were
trying to break out here.
we went above previous week high on both ES and Nasdaq there.
Yeah, we're back above 627 here on QQQ. So this is kind of the area where I want us to hold for today's close.
Yep.
Nice close on the 5-minute there. Let's see if we get a retest this flag and then possibly get held up. Too long. It kind of looks good though.
Yeah. Mostly strength from Nvidia here though. Has some bit room to overnight
Yeah.
high here.
Google looks kind of good though.
Yeah.
Meta's selling a little bit. AVGO's moving higher. Apple's at support. Previous low of day. Oh wait, we have data at 9:45.
Yeah, in 10 minutes.
Let's wait for that. We don't have 10 a.m. data though, I don't think.
Yeah, we don't.
Okay, good. Oh, I'm glad we did that review. That was nice.
Yeah. It's really me buying 50% less charter or more, and it's the one that goes up. Didn't have enough money on the account yesterday. This was in Swedish kronor, so I needed to change it, and I wasn't sure I wanted to, but then I was like, oh, it's kind of close to April. I have like 5k left in my bank, so I can manage until then, so I can use the money to invest instead.
Hmm.
Mm.
There's a retest here. This would be your long spot if you're looking for the retest flag breakout here. Directly here, you would long. Off a VWAP, 9 EMA, and a flag retest.
Quite aggressive though.
Yeah. Yeah, we'll be
It's
waiting,
not
but I don't think it's
not happening.
terrible.
No,
Apple's
70
holding.
point. No, I think it's looking good overall on tickers here. Tesla, Google, not Microsoft, Nvidia, VWAP retest.
Yeah, Apple looks good here.
Yeah. With this ATR, we probably could trade it before the 45 though. But yeah.
I just took the quick scalp from 32 to 60.
Oh, nice.
No.
Looks good. I think this could actually pull highs still.
Yeah. 940 for me. I have area of interest. 920 to 940.
Wow, that was actually a nice move.
Oh, yeah, we should just have taken it because the ATR is so high. So yeah, it'd be done. Oh no,
No.
60 points.
I feel like this always happens.
Yeah. Yeah, looking good. Seeing more buying here.
Yeah. Yeah, that was actually a perfect entry there.
Yep.
Honestly, a textbook setup in my eyes.
Yep.
Multi-confluence. 90 EMA VWAP. Flag retest there.
This week
Tickers
high.
holding. Yeah, tickers holding. Relative strength on Nvidia. AVGO. Leading, and then other tickers as support. It's good.
Mm.
Really good.
Yeah, the problem here is that we could possibly squeeze this now, and with PMI, right, it's gonna be hard to get in. But Philip, don't FOMO.
I needed not FOMO. That was beautiful.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
I was gonna ask, for the 1 minute, can we potentially come back, retest the flag, and then break back up, like potentially for an entry?
For the flag, that was our retest
Yeah.
flag.
Yeah, that was
Oh,
already.
Yeah.
got it. That was the retester. Okay. I was thinking more of like the top of the flag on the 1 minute.
It should go here if you want to see this going.
Okay,
higher.
yeah, okay, yeah, I see it.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, that would have been a probably better retest area for me. It's a lot of confluence in that area, but yeah, they should be able to pull a lot higher here. I'm gonna go cry now. I'll be back.
No.
Just cuddle with your dog. That always helps me.
Nvidia went to overnight high there. Oh, my 940 level was perfect. So selling directly there.
All right, I'm back.
Yeah, I also like 940 as
Yeah.
TP1. It's the previous day value area high also.
Yeah.
Exactly 940.
Yeah.
42, yeah.
Honestly, I kind of didn't have any targets above here. Just my only
Yeah, we had the
concern.
940s.
Yeah, I don't have that. So I guess 9:30. Looking at the 15-minute. 900. Hard to tell. Rich or late? I have to write you up.
I got PTSD from that. What the hell?
Retesting again here. Oh, we had data. Yep.
Yeah.
Nothing. Some tickers look a little weak here, but others are kind of still holding up still.
Doesn't look as strong as that first pullback for
No.
me.
Yeah, I'd agree.
It doesn't mean it's not valid, of course, but it's not as good for me, I think.
I feel like we haven't taken a short in a while.
Yeah.
That's another thing I actually wanted to mention about yesterday. We definitely could have shorted yesterday as well.
Yeah, you've been a bit bullish biased, Alex. So,
Yeah, a little bit.
oh, we went higher, so I was very sure.
It's not like I don't see the downside move. It's just I'm kind of just
Yeah.
sitting there waiting for the move down to happen, and then I'll go long. In reality, I
Yeah,
should probably
yeah,
just be taking the short down
yeah.
instead of sitting here wasting my time
Yeah.
waiting for a long.
It can be hard mentally. That's why.
Yeah.
Like that when you have your idea to change that and go with the flow instead. Sometimes you just get stuck a bit, right?
Another retest here on that flag. Doesn't look as strong though. Looks kind of weak. Apple looks like it
It
wants
looks
to play
better
the
on
pretty
ES
low
here.
play.
Yeah, it looks better on ES here. I think
Yeah.
pretty high.
5
The
minute
flag retest
imbalance.
on the bigger time frame. Yeah.
5 minute imbalance. Retest there. Looks kind of good, actually.
Yeah, Google looks strong here. I think Apple still at resistance. Yeah, I liked it. Oh wow. CVD coming in there for buying. Hmm.
Looks like it wants to sell here a little bit more.
Hmm.
On Apple. Anyway, sorry. On Apple. Looking at Apple.
It's holding the overnight low. I
Yeah, it's
think
holding
tickers
overnight
looked
low.
solid. Q chart looked a bit less good, but ES looks good. Tickers looks good. Still like this upside. I think.
What would upside target be though? That's kind of like only thing I'm having trouble kind of gauging right now. 26,000, maybe. Not really sure.
Yeah, same. Overall, 26,184 for me, but I think that could be way too generous for today. This would be a higher low on the 4 hour also, which I'm not lower high here, but strength looks decent, I guess. I don't see the weakness on tickers here. Downside.
That was fast. We should still be able to play this breakout here, I think, right? Yeah.
Yeah, I think so, possibly. If you don't range. Yeah.
Kind of like the way this is setting up.
Tickers looks good, right?
Yeah,
I
tickers
don't
look
see.
good.
We'll argue Tesla is the only weak one here. Yeah, CVD is going up, price is going up.
Okay, I'm long. Where's my entry? 917. Okay.
Where is your stop?
87. Wow, I thought that entry was a lot better than what I clicked. Oh wait, the bot's not on.
Yeah, that was instantly a reaction there.
Yeah.
I got stopped there.
Yeah, I got stopped as well.
That was little on the chart. Wow. Oh. Reacting that 4 hour.
That was quick. No slippage though, which is good, but yeah, I rejected the breakout there.
Yep.
Hmm. Five. Alright, bot should be on now. Still think this could possibly hold up here. We haven't the invalidation of the structure is probably below view up, I think. Alright. Yeah, we're kind of flagging here still. Here's view up retest once again. Nvidia is rejecting overnight high there. This is also view up 90 may retest on SPY as well. Apple looks kind of good for a pull higher. I think this could still flag here based on the 5.
Yep. I agree. Because yeah.
Still don't mind tickers here as well.
We have a sell diversion on ES here, but it still looks kind of strong from the 7 o'clock high here, but still looks kind of good, I think. Based on tickers here, looks
Yeah, I like
nice.
tickers. I like the structure on Qs. 5-minute holding above view up.
Holding a higher low here, right?
Yeah.
Here we got tagged. Oh.
kind of want to try it again. Kind of want to see a little bit more momentum off tickers though.
Looks like it could sell also, right? Not sure.
Yeah, nothing's really leading, or some of them, or Apple kind of broke out here, but Nvidia's kind of stalling a little bit. Same with Microsoft here.
No, it's selling this.
Oh, 1 second.
Nvidia sold there, even if Apple popped with the rest of the tickers except Apple.
Yeah, Move got sold there.
Yep.
And what's it selling? Nvidia sold, AVGO sold, Meta sold. We're testing 625 level that I have here. Five-minute flag did get invalidated there. Broke downside.
Yeah. You reacted the 4-hour higher low there on ES. I think it's the same on Nasdaq, right?
High or low?
Lower high, lower high, lower high. But it still looks not bad, yes. Right.
Another retest again on the flag on SPY here. Still held to close, but yeah, we should be able to pull a little bit lower, I think. Maybe not. Still got to see tickers here. Like Apple's breaking upside. Microsoft still
Yeah.
looks good. Google looks
Thanks.
good.
Tesla looks good here also. So
Nvidia looks not great, but it could still hold here maybe. Opening price, near opening price. Tickers still look good here.
yeah, tickers look good. That's the good part.
Might try it again, I'm not gonna lie.
I'm in longs at 33.
Oh, nice. And get sold immediately.
Mm.
Not really sure what to think here. Hold the 1 minute range. Seekers are still pulling highs here.
Still selling that, right?
Yeah.
VIX is.
Look at Nvidia here though.
Yeah. VIX looks good for higher though. But yeah. I see the tickers. Looking decent or good. But VIX reacted that gap fill. He has pushed highs there. Nice buying there, the CUD. Maybe they're buying there.
Yep. That's some
Looks
buying
good.
there.
Yeah, looks good. I think we have room to gap fill here. It's 125 points away on the upside. If you want to see more upside here. CUD went higher on both Nasdaq and MQ there. Are you still in that long, by the way, or did you get stopped? Rich?
No, I'm not gonna lie, I got scared, but then I re-entered. I got scared
Had a
because I
really
got a
nice
big
buying there.
pull down, and then I
Oh,
re-entered.
wow. Big candle.
I don't know if I'll hold or if I'll or what, honestly. But I'm definitely taking a trim right here.
Yeah, I'm kind of
I'm
waiting for
up.
my
I
entry
think
here.
Mm.
Want to see this close above VWAP. Get a retest. Or if you get a retest now, actually, that would be nice.
I'm up right now. Something like that. Yeah, we got that the really big red candlestick, and it pulled down fast as hell. I was like, no, don't stop me out after being up that much. And I got scared and I got out. And I was like, you know what? I'm gonna let my balls hang. If I'm down, I'm down. And then I re-entered. And then I added the magnet. I added the magnet emojis.
That's funny. See if we get an entry here. Looking for like 70 or so.
Or higher? Yeah.
Wow, we just pulled 70. Didn't realize.
67.
1 minute imbalance there. Alright, I'm in long. 74.25. I want to see this close above you up.
Yeah, so 44 as a stop then. Or
Should I move my stop to break even? Well, my break even's at your guys' entry.
You said what?
you have a stop. Do you
Should
have
I
a
move
stop
my
at 44 then?
Yeah.
Oh, sorry.
no
Yeah.
my entry's at 33. My stop is at 800 psych. But should I move it up to 700 entry?
You
Or is
could.
that high as hell? Mine is that's super high though. But I mean, it's also there for a reason, I guess.
Looks good. I kind of like this. Tickers look good across the board. Flagging here. I think we could target new high of day here. Our stop loss looks so tight though.
Yeah.
Right?
That's what I was saying, yeah.
I honestly want to maybe bring it down more, but below view up would be better. Like 40. That'll be 4 more points. 35 point stop. That's not terrible, I guess. I'll leave it, whatever. Already in.
We put that tool.
I probably prefer below view up though. But yeah, tickers look good here. I like this. I like it. I like it. I like it.
You never mind then. Damn, almost perfect short. Yeah. Oh, the retest. Yeah, I see that, Carlos.
Your
We're
target,
up here.
Alex.
Yeah.
I don't know. New high of day. A
What's new
million,
high?
bajillion, badillion points.
I hope so. What the hell?
No, I'm kind of looking for highs. Yeah, I'm looking for the highs here. We should actually start getting ready to trim this here.
Yeah.
50 points. We should trim here. Come back on the day. I like this momentum though. I really like tickers. I kind of want Nvidia back up to overnight high here and maybe pull previous high of day. That's kind of what I'm looking
I'm
for
up
here.
400 ticks right now, Jesus, or 300 ticks. I don't know how many points that is, but it's a lot.
26,000 is also kind of nice based on the bigger time frame structure. Okay, yeah, let's scale here. All right, I scaled out half right there. 23. I don't know how many points that is, but Do
Good
B
amount.
stops.
I'm gonna do B stops. Could be too tight though, but
I had a nice exit there. 23.25.
did you go B stops or you're gonna?
1 second. Yeah, I probably will. Should I?
You got a new high on ES here, but not on
Whatever.
Nasdaq.
V stops are on.
Okay.
That was 50 points, right? I think on our stream.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh wait, I didn't.
Almost be even if I get stopped here on the rest.
Wait, I didn't put the alert out. Oh my god, the bot keeps on turning off for whatever reason.
We didn't push more here though. Could see a higher low coming in on ES here.
That's my exit anyway. I'll take it. 340 points. I like it. I'm going to sleep.
Yeah, looks like we're gonna get stopped here. A new high on ES. Rejected a bit there.
There we go. Now the bot's responding. I don't know why this keeps on turning off.
I just want to get up to 50,000 again.
50 thou wow.
I'm so close. I'm like $30 off. I was gonna hold it until then, but I don't want to force that. I already have my TPs right there, so
Need
I
to
already
see some
hold
lines,
Yeah.
it
though.
longer.
Yeah, I think we're gonna get stopped here actually, based on what they're doing here. It's to see momentum coming in.
Tickers look good though, still, right?
Yeah.
We should see. Actually, we should still be able to see momentum here. This is kind of just a back test there.
Do you know how close I was getting stopped?
Oh yeah, me too. Yeah.
I don't even see the line.
Oh, I still see the
So-
line, but we pulled down to what?
Oh, I see the line, but I don't see the wick is right to the line. On CFD, I got stopped,
Oh
but
really?
it has latency. Yeah, spreads.
No, we only pulled down to 76 there.
Yeah, I'm not gonna be perfect to replicate the stop loss on
Yeah.
the CFD. So that's fine. That's fine. Looks good though. Looks
Yeah,
good.
looks good.
Bastard CFD. Let's go here. It's fine. I'm B on the CFD almost, so it's
Okay.
fine. But yeah, this looks good.
Nice buying coming in there. We should be able to pull new high of day here. I think if we pull new high of day, I'll probably take some more off, and then I don't know. We'll see.
Yeah, Google went to resistance there, but Tesla looks good.
Yeah,
Apple looks
Nvidia
good
looks
for a bit
good.
more. Yeah, for
Everything looks good.
slightly more here.
Tickers looking good across the board here. Should be able to pull new high of day. I don't like how tight our stop loss
Yeah.
has been recently. At least
Yeah.
yesterday and today. I don't like it at all. Not a fan. I am not a fan.
Yeah, the ATAR is a bit too high. The stops, right?
Yep.
Wow, this sold there. Need to see momentum there, but yeah, it's so close when the stop with this PA on even the one, right?
Mm-hmm.
Microsoft reacted there. Same with Meta.
Yeah, you'd probably
And
like to have
Google
a
reacted
stop
overnight.
below a VWAP here.
Yeah.
which is what, at 50 or so. I think we're fine.
Nasdaq, we just need you to gap fill. It's just 85 points more. Let it go, let it go. Okay. Nvidia pushing, but not the other tickers right now.
Yeah. Apple closed above that 5-minute imbalance, which is nice, but still could get sold there. This is still
Yeah.
resistance here. We definitely still could get tagged.
Yeah. Yeah.
I'll place my bets that will pull highs. Please.
If you were in Nvidia calls,
Yeah,
that's
look at Nvidia here.
correct.
It's kind of the move I wanted. I'm honestly debating on taking this here, actually.
Yeah.
We should have seen this go with momentum, but based on other tickers are kind of selling here a bit, might take this. No, go back up.
Are you blowing? No, it's selling here. Apple sold instead. Yeah,
Yeah.
Meta and Microsoft selling. Google selling there.
Nvidia pulled up to my target there, kind of. I don't really like that.
Yeah,
If
CVD.
that actually starts pulling back, that probably would be enough to tag us out.
Yeah.
Unless we get some buying from tickers, but not likely, I don't think. Here it comes. No. Oh. Okay. Okay.
Oh my god.
Wait, we're not out of it yet. Be quiet, Philip. Hang on.
There's still a chance.
No. We just filled the imbalance about the 1 minute to 9:04 here. But Nvidia seeing some
Go, Nvidia,
slight
go!
more oomph.
Go,
It's
go!
it's oomping. Everyone in the channel, blow. This could
Is
still
that a
tag us.
Swedish thing or the blow?
No. It's need to go higher, right? So you need to blow it.
Rich, put the magnet back. Put the magnet back.
Magnet's been on, man.
Don't like that reaction there again.
Yeah,
I
Nvidia
wanted to
pulled
see
up
this
to
go.
P-Hot there.
Yeah.
Oh. That's good while it lasted. Gave me hope. Not anymore. I think we'll pull, yeah, I got tagged. Alright, B for today. Okay. Well, that's not terrible. Not terrible. Not terrible. Look for one more.
Yeah, we could. Mm. You didn't blow enough, guys. I cannot do it by myself. I guess, Carlos, it was good for you then. I didn't see that break and retest, Carlos, being honest. I missed that. Oh, nice. Oh, Hello. Then you're green. I'm down $1.8.
Yeah, I'm down a bit. Yeah, but this could still get held up though. I have you up, but I don't really like tickers right now. They have room to retest a bit lower before I see some buying, I think. But oh, nice, Carlos. Yeah, get the payout. That's good.
Yeah.
Always secure the payout. Always secure the payout.
Carlos, is that the black account?
No. They're still evils. Need to pass them first. The lucid ones, I mean.
Yeah. Which ones
Yeah.
is it Apex payout? Then?
Yeah, Apex.
Oh, nice. How much is it? 1K? 2K? 500?
No. I think I'll take 600, 500. We'll see.
Okay.
Just the minimum amount. Like,
Each
Oh
account.
no.
if I can, I take it.
No,
50K.
you only have one account, right? Because we blow when we had a bad
Yeah.
period. Yeah.
My poor 50K. The first account I got.
Mm.
001.
You remember that month we had a really good month, but we had a 200-point losing period,
I do
and
not.
then you just no we had
I do not.
yeah
That wasn't me.
we had a 100K month, but in that month you had all the losses combined in a series, and Carlos blowed then I think just precisely
Yeah.
I think, and then you
I do remember.
had some fire trades. Ah.
Yeah, it was sad month. But it was so fucking unlucky. I mean, like there were so
on the
many weak
point.
outs and on to the tick. I mean, I was like, okay, whatever.
The real
It is
question
what
Feel
it
the
is.
feel the imbalance here. Not seeing the buying right now though. But
Yeah,
this
tickers
is the
sold.
imbalance.
Tickers did sell. A lot of them pulled up to
Mm,
resistance there. Yeah, no, that
yeah,
move kind
are
of
we good?
happened with Nvidia. We pulled up towards target and we sold, which
yeah.
yeah did tag us out there.
I was so close to taking that off multiple time. But was
We're gonna take
no.
another one as a
It's
question.
gonna go. It's gonna go. And I didn't. Oh, well. That's quite
Are we
nice on half size actually. Even taking the highest there. It was
Mhm.
50 points I think. Right?
Yeah, had 49, but close enough.
Yeah.
are we gonna take another one as a question?
Yeah, probably B right now.
I'm gonna be honest. If I didn't take that, so I took the first one that we took. I got stopped immediately. Then I took a second one from, that second one for the breakout. If I didn't take that loss, like if I didn't manually stop myself out, I would have been up like 400 or 500 today. But I got 340 ticks just to have $90. I'm sick right now, man.
Oh, you're more green than me and Alex.
Yeah.
Yeah, I
Right?
entered way
Yeah,
before. I got
that's
a
good.
37 entry.
Yeah. Good entry, bro. By the way, good entry.
All that just for $90. I should hang myself.
No, don't do that, please. Don't do that. Looks like we're pulling lower. Oh.
We're kind of just stuck on a range here. We haven't really moved it off since opening price here. Tickers look kind of weak though. Microsoft setting up an age setup. Google rejecting overnight high. Could pull down a
M
view
set
up
up.
maybe.
M set up on the 5,
Yeah, maybe.
possibly. Possible.
Should we short it? Short it?
Now?
No, not now.
No, that was what I meant. Now? Really? We talked about it where we want to take the profits there. 911. That's nice. It was nice on the 880 though. Down to previous week high we up. Oh, it's only 30 points. Oh, never mind. Wasn't as much as I thought. Tickers are not like looking weak, right? It just went up
No.
to resistance, sold down again. Our candle, okay, closing 33 minutes. It's possible to get bought up again then, I guess.
And if they're just gonna range today, I like that. Give it to me. Make it an easy day for me.
I see some buying coming in here actually on the CFD is slight though. It's
Still
not.
selling on
Okay,
ticker though.
I got sold
there.
directly. Apple still quite aggressively there. Just Tesla here, right?
Yeah, only Tessie. Tessie.
Physics.
Maybe I should have held it. I was short at where was it? I was short what number is it? At 80. I was gonna hold it, but I was like, it's not that serious because I didn't. My profits lately have been like horseshit. Like I got $23 one day, I got 16 another day.
I really like that short, by the way, when we wrecked at 80.
Yeah.
That's what I said before. Nice. Just some selling pressure coming in here actually. Took the low though. This hourly, yeah, could still be a fake out on the upside and we just continue lower, right? Alex?
What's up?
Yeah. At this 4 hour and hourly, look at it. This could
Yeah.
still sell to new lows,
Yep.
right?
Yeah, tickers look weak.
Exactly.
Like you said.
Yeah.
Maybe we should have shorted.
Yeah.
When did I say it? A couple minutes ago? A couple seconds ago?
Yeah.
The M setup breaking down here.
Yeah. We talked about it. Yeah. Just that it already went so low from there.
That's 30 points
We
for my
up retouch on the 1 minute. Possible on Nasdaq, I guess. Go short there.
Yeah, 850.
Right.
That wasn't bad, yeah.
Easy in hindsight, as always.
Not sure what to think here. What to do here? What to do?
We wait.
That's what it's looking like.
We wait till it pulls back up to 830, and then we long off of that.
Roger that.
If you know it's gonna go
Still holding in range though. We actually still haven't really lost anything. We're just on the lower end of the range right now.
to 800.
Yeah.
Filled in balance on ES there. So divergent played out if we don't want to break lower.
For a Friday, do we really want to pull lower on a Friday? I don't know.
Probably not.
still like my bigger time frame idea on how we'll close today. Around here, I think it'll be more of a inside day, I'd say. Gotta long this again.
It's holding up pretty well. I mean, won't be opposed.
I don't know. I'm not a fan of the daily.
Not a fan of the daily.
Hanging Man. No, but don't listen to me. This could still get bought up and looks completely different.
Well, it got bought end of day yesterday.
Yeah.
Yeah.
A nice wick, right?
No. Hanging Man, is
I'm not too
could be
familiar
built.
with that, I'll be honest.
Reversal pattern, start of the new trend.
Oh,
Often.
really?
Yeah, because you see that explosiveness the first day, right? And then they bought it up, and then you get exhaustion. You continue sell. Yeah. But it needs confirmation, so it doesn't matter at all right now. You need to have a daily close candle.
Yep. Gotcha, Philip. Gotcha.
The video bounced nice from the open price.
Yeah, that's kind of what I'm looking at. Like, so we're at the
Apple
lower
holding
end of
up
the
all.
range. Structure still holding here.
This looks quite decent.
Slight 1 minute range we're in.
Doing some buying there.
So, whoa.
No.
I called it. I called it. Oh my god. Maybe I'm turning into a sniper like Alex. What the hell?
Yeah, you might be. You might be.
We actually could have bought that at 820. Wasn't bad. We talked there.
I was looking at 800.
I think we are
I was
already
gonna
at
say, I'm still
880.
longing this. What the fuck? I'm still gonna long it. I'm full out right there. The fuck? I'm 400 on a day. I'm going to sleep now.
Yeah, take
Nice.
care, brother.
I'm going to sleep, man.
Nice.
It happened too quick, but I mean, it was solid though.
Yeah, I was just gonna say we could long here with this spike down to 820, but it just before I could say anything.
Yeah, I wanted
Yeah.
to see that 1 minute close there at right at 800 and then clear that high and then just whoop, right up. Yeah, just stuck in range, looks like.
I can't abandon the team though. I'm not going to sleep just yet, but I won't take anything.
Just like that, it got sold. Time's at 10:30.
I'm still thinking longs here don't look bad either.
Yeah, I'm still kind of
Like, they're
leaning more towards that. I think this range could kind of break on honestly. Just waiting to find an entry here, to be honest. Still not really
I'd say
sure.
I was just playing inside the range today.
I think we all liked it at 820, 800 there.
Mhm.
But we saw that, but
It
you
happened too
executed
quick
on
for
that.
us to.
Yeah, good job, Rich, to act on it.
Yeah, just top
Thank
end
you.
of the range there. That was a nice exit.
Yeah.
It's quite nice actually, the range that we're in.
That was like 30 points in 20 seconds over.
Tickers looks kind of good here, so
Yeah, I'd agree. I don't want to get caught in the higher end of the range though, and just flips
yeah,
again.
yeah.
Kind of wish I got that 830 entry actually. Looking back,
Yeah.
1 minute pullback.
Yeah, I was looking at that one. That looks good. I think you could ride to 911 again here, possibly. Take half out here and you ride rest to N-Hod or 911. Or even the range break, I guess, if you would leave one runner. Because now the 4-hour looks a lot better. If this is going up, I guess it's gonna go. So that's
What if we could break out here? Tickets kind of look good. They should.
yeah.
Looking at it, it should have room here. I really don't want to get caught in the higher end of a range though.
Yeah.
That's the tricky part. Taking this breakout.
I'm way not even close happy about that. So like that 830 or that 820 break there. Looks so much better than this, I think. Apple looks good though. I mean, tickers look good, but
Yeah. Yeah, I'd agree. It's technically at resistance though.
yeah.
With some names here.
Yeah.
Looks quite good though. Do we take the breakout entry? Oh, I really don't want to, but I think we might have to.
The carriage. I think some slight selling pressure coming in.
retest here, unless this is going to be a lower high and a 5.
Yeah. Maybe we just call it for a B day. I don't know. What do you?
I don't hate the setups here. I don't hate the setups. If you'd like to call it, you could call it.
Of course.
Would like to make one more attempt though.
Selling pressure got absorbed. Yeah.
Looks kind of good, right?
Yeah, just the entry price here with the stop losses. That's the.
Not great, yeah.
Oh, oh.
That's the only problem.
But overall, yeah, it looks strong. Tesla went into overnight high here, which is technically resistance for me. But
5-minute
I mean,
breakout candle here. This is a breakout.
8:30 was really nice. Breakout on a Friday. I kind of want us to close the previous week high, but sometimes the market just you see rip also. Close the gap. 100 points above. Gap and trap Friday. It's possible.
Yeah, some tickets are still at resistance here. We still have yet to actually break anything. So I'm a bit worried that this could get actually sold still, but the 5-minute structure looks good for a breakout here. Maybe we just watch it go up.
That's what we have been doing since the 8:30. 9:20. Time to break. We're close to long it there at the 880 area. Or did
880?
you want it?
Not really.
Or
I wanted a view up retest.
yeah,
I'm just really worried about our stop.
yeah.
I want to give it some room to actually play out, not get wicked. So I was looking for like yeah, view up retest, whatever that is.
Still quite a lot of buying there. I think we should go to the gap fill here, though.
Yeah, so 870 was kind of what I was looking for there.
Yeah.
I was very close to longing though at like that 800 area when we pulled the
Yeah.
lower end of the range. I was gonna do it off the 1-minute candle, but then it just popped like 20
Yeah, super
points
hard.
immediately.
Yeah. Did you talk anything more with Ocean? Ocean? Did they say something?
Yeah, he did respond. What did he say? Oh, he's like, he needs to like wrap some things up, and then, but he was like, yeah, he'd love to come in and take a look
Yeah.
at the group.
Yeah, Wolfganary found his members, I think, and so on. Maybe we could get some of them in here, right? Then we fill the quota.
Fill the quota. Video's moving here. Yeah, it broke out. Wow. Well, I guess I was kind of right about that read. That was nice.
Yeah.
Relative strength.
Yeah. Broke above the p-hold overnight high there. ES made a new high. I really want to be in long before this though, right?
Yeah, me too.
To be TP1, right?
If I would have held it, I would have been up like 50 or 60 points now.
Oh no, your 400 is nice. What is it, 4 MQ or 6?
I traded
Trading?
4.
Oh yeah, that's super much for 4.
2, but
I have not. No,
You're
no.
good.
Count the points. Count the points. Wait, I'm gonna do it for you.
I think I'm up. So the first one was 3 something. Was 342. And then the second one that was like 30
Oh,
points.
yeah, you're up 50 points on the day.
Jesus. Solid.
Yeah.
That's a lot. Yeah, that's good. Very good.
Yeah.
Closing dirt, some good.
Me and Alex would take that any day now and take the weekend.
Yeah, no, I'm definitely not. I'm not taking another position. I'm just waiting to see like what you guys are gonna take, and why you guys are gonna take it.
I'm not 100% sure I will take another, but I'll be here.
I think now for sure it looks good. Honestly, it looks like it's just gonna play in this range for the rest of the day, but not positive.
Short the highs. That's not a terrible
Yeah.
idea.
And your stop loss will be right above this range, or right above resistance.
I don't
Yeah.
see the weakness on tickers
I
here
kind
though.
of do, I'll be honest.
That
We're kind of
also.
setting up an
Really?
H setup, yeah. Look how some tickers are setting up. Microsoft, Apple could set up in an H here as well. Nvidia is the only thing that's really leading this pull up.
Google?
Google too, yeah. But it has overnight high resistance here as well.
Yeah. But
not
based
bad,
on how
yeah.
it looks like it's gonna go higher. Oh, could
Alright,
be
Rachel
wrong.
convinced me. I'm short.
Oh, where and where's your stop?
99.25. 30-point stop. Last one for the day.
Oh. 99, and what did you say about the
30-point
the
stop.
90? Yeah, 30 then.
29, yeah.
Oh.
I might micro scalp this, to be honest. Down to VWAP on Qs. Right, flag retest. But yeah, looking at some tickers here, I feel like we could actually set up in that H setup on some names.
I'm not sure I see this. I think it just looks strong here. But yeah, Microsoft, but they just been like, sit here. But yeah, maybe they go a bit lower. If
Yeah, retest
go
previous
go to
5-day
VWAP.
overnight high, right? Yeah, okay, I'm gonna trim. I trimmed right there. Got a 68 exit. Kind of just taking this, I'll be back green on the day. Look. It's not bad. Maybe just take full.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, just take full. Whatever. I'm out. 55. Okay. Back green
That
on
was
the.
nice.
I took the short as well.
Yeah, yeah. Oh, you were right with Google there on that resistance. Tesla rejected the p-hod. Microsoft went for that NLOD, which it's been super slow. Same with Meta. Yeah, we
I'm the
see this
support.
flush hard now.
I'm the
Right.
support and resistant
Yes.
sniper. I swear. Oh
Thank
my
you, Rich.
god.
Thank you, Rich.
Yeah.
Great idea.
So based on your performance this week, Rich, we want you to call out all your trades when you take them, because we looked at that long also, and if you said I'm long, we would have
Oh yeah.
probably FOMO that in that 8:30, because I really liked it there,
I said I
and I
was
think
long the
Alex.
first time, and so at
No,
like 10
no, no.
o'clock, I said I was
You
long.
just when you take your position, just say it. I sometimes miss that also because you're so swamped up, and that's so funny because I think Ryan said about he's here, but Alex like can you be faster? Like when I take a trade and and I take it and everyone is here and I'm like, oh, I got the profits. Like, oh, wait, it's so hard to do that uh, both. But yeah, I think we all should say when we take trades if we can
Yeah, that'd
to
be
like,
nice. Yeah. Give
I feel like
ideas.
I
Just
just
like
it throws people off though. That's the only caveat to that. Like
Mm.
we for the most part we listen to Alex when he takes positions. So if we just hear like 6 people talking about, oh, I'm long, it's gonna like throw off your your bias. But I mean, it's 50-50
Yeah,
for there.
yep. I'd
yeah,
agree.
I also feel like you have to have some like you kind of have to do your due diligence on your end, whether to change
yeah,
your bias or not.
Mm-hmm.
yeah. Yeah, next week I'm gonna trade 3 times afternoon session.
Oh, nice.
By the way, I said no to that work.
Oh, okay. Yeah, so you'll be
And
Oh, what
they
trading
happened?
said
vitamins now.
no. They said, oh, we're gonna talk with the higher boss and see if we can make the terms better.
Mm-hmm.
So, so it's not out of the question. Maybe they come and say like, oh, we give you 2,000 more a month, or no. I said it's part because I said to them like I'm training these hours and I want to do that. It's my
Mm-hmm.
main focus. So they said like, uh, okay, we're gonna see if we can do something about it. Maybe it's more like, oh, you can work at home 4 times a week or something. So it's not like, but they said no to that offer. So I'm gonna see if they could just dump me also now. Like, oh, okay, you're not. But I don't think they have anyone that they like, more than me. That's the problem.
Yep.
But